Welcome to Cleo's Kitchen. Today we will make creamy shrimp pasta. Let's get started. For shrimp seasoning, you will need 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of complete seasoning, black pepper, lemon pepper, and a pinch of salt. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add your shrimp. Cook it 3 minutes on each side. Cut a 1/4 onion into small pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. Then add chopped onions and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. To this mixture, add 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir as you add. Sprinkle parsley and lemon pepper. To make this sauce thicker, I combined half a cup of flour and half a cup of white wine and added into the sauce. Next, we will cook our rigatoni noodles. Of course, you know I like to add oil and a pinch of salt to the boiled water to keep my noodles from sticking. Back to the sauce, I added shredded Parmesan. Then I added the shrimp. And lastly, I added the noodles. Stir well until everything is evenly coated. I finish off my dish with parsley for decoration. This meal is simple and can be made with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. I hope you enjoy my video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Goodbye, and I'll see you for the next video.